Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 high ping and network lag on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open the control panel from Start menu. Next, select Network and Internet, then open Network and Sharing Center. After that, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on your active Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. From the list, choose Internet Protocol version 4 and open its settings. Enable the option to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1.1.1.1 as the primary DNS and 1.0.0.0.1 as the secondary DNS. Then click OK and close all windows. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. Copy and paste the commands shown on screen one by one, press Enter after each, then exit. Finally, restart your PC. So, that's basically how you can fix Battlefield 6 high ping and network lag on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.